how to make a saddle in Minecraft. So first, just click on the link on the description so that it will bring you on the website. So the link will bring you right here, and once you're here, just click on the versions tab. Then just click on the 1.0.0 without the mod, so the data pack right here. So just simply click on the download button and wait for it to download, then click on save. Now once that's done, just simply open up Minecraft. And now once you're on Minecraft, just simply go to single player and open up any world that you want. This could be a new world or any existing world. Then just click on it, then click on edit. Then click on open world folder. Once you're there, just open up the data packs folder right here. Now go to the downloads folder where you have your saddle or the saddle data pack. Then just simply copy and paste it here on the folder of the world. So I'm just going to move it right here, move the zip file. And once that's done, you can just exit out of this and just click on save. Now we're going to open up the world. Now once you're back on Minecraft, just put the crafting table up. And what you will need is 5 leather, a stick, an iron ingot, and an oak plank. Then once you have all that, just simply open up your crafting table. And first we're going to make a tripwire hook. And to do that, just simply get your iron ingot and put it on the top. And put the stick on the middle and your oak plank on the bottom. This will make your tripwire hook. Just simply get that. Now just put your leather right here, evenly like that on the top. Then put your tripwire hook on the middle. So here I just use an older version of Minecraft since the latest version, which is 1.2.1, is not working. So I'm just gonna do it again. So this version 1.20. So I think all 1.30 versions will work. So you could just try it for yourself. And once it's done, just simply put a tripwire hook. So earlier it didn't work, but now on the version 1.20, it now works just like so. And when I get the saddle, now as you can see, we currently have the saddle. That's how you basically make or create or craft a saddle in Minecraft.